can see the sea. It won't be long till you taste salt with me. I heard the wind whisper something to my mind. I feel feverish a little, it's just beneath my skin. It's the moment before where something starts and something begins. I can taste salt on your skin. I have found another place to play, and slowly and steadily I am falling